Looking for the perfect folding bed that's comfy, durable, and space-saving? Whether you're hosting guests, need a quick nap solution, or just want a versatile bed for small spaces, we've got you covered. In this video, we're breaking down the best folding beds on the market, from deluxe comfort to budget-friendly options. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly which folding bed is right for you. Product 5. Millier Deluxe Diplomat Folding Bed. Ever hosted guests and thought, where do I put them? Your couch. I'm tired, bro. Floor. Hard pass. Air mattress. Deflates faster than my motivation. But wait, meet my secret weapon. Millier Deluxe Diplomat. It's not just a bed, it's a guest dream come true. Memory foam so plush, you'll forget it's foldable. Steel frame. Supports up to 300 pounds. Hulk approved. Folds up slimmer than my willpower on Mondays. Rolls away smoother than your ex's excuses. Assembly. Faster than binge watching cat videos. Bamboo cover. Soft. Washable. Eco-friendly. Fancy, huh? Automatic opening mechanism because guests shouldn't need a PhD. CertiPer US certified. Safe enough for grandma, strong enough for sumo wrestlers. Perfect for travelers, hosts, and tiny apartment dwellers. So next time guests drop by, skip the panic. Don't miss it. Check the product link in the description to grab yours today. Product 4. Green Valley Folding Bed with 5-inch mattress. Tired of uncomfortable guest beds? Meet the Green Valley Folding Bed. First reason, enjoy a plush 5-inch memory foam mattress. Sleep soundly. This mattress is soft, breathable, and super supportive. Second reason, space-saving foldable design for any home or office. Easily roll it out with smooth, lockable wheels for quick setup. Perfect for apartments, guest rooms, or even your office naps. Third reason, built tough with a solid metal frame, no squeaks. Supports up to 450 pounds, so everyone sleeps comfortably. No more worrying about stability or annoying noises at night. Setup is a breeze, just 5 to 15 minutes and you're done. Take it camping, use it for guests, or as a spare bed. Folds up compactly to fit in your closet or car trunk. Waterproof, dustproof, and mothproof for long-lasting durability. Ready to upgrade your guest experience or camping trips? Tap the link now, give your guests or yourself better sleep. Check the product link in the description and make hosting guests stress-free. Product 3. Yuzi Folding Sofa Bed. Unboxing the Yuzi Folding Sofa Bed. Can't wait to try this. First impression, sleek, dark gray, modern design looks stylish. Let's unfold it. Wow. Transition smoothly from sofa to bed. The foam feels thick and supportive. 6 inches is no joke. Lying down, it's comfy and holds shape, great for guests. Sitting upright, the 120 degrees recline fits my back perfectly. Check out this storage pocket, handy for remotes or magazines. The cover is soft, breathable, and zips off for easy washing. Folds up easily, super convenient for small spaces or apartments. CertiPer US and OE Code Text, certified safe and high quality materials. Perfect for gaming, reading, or as a floor chair at parties. Vacuum packed for shipping, just let it expand before using. Matches my decor classic gray blends with any room style. If you host often or need extra seating, this is ideal. Highly recommend for apartment dwellers or frequent hosts. Ready to upgrade your space? Don't wait, check the product link in the description to get yours today. Product 2. Try Folding Mattress. Twin size. Ever struggle to find comfort away from home? Imagine your loved ones visiting, needing a restful night's sleep. Or picture a camping trip where sleep feels like a dream. We all want our guests and ourselves to feel cared for. Introducing the Gimmed Tri-Folding Mattress Comfort wherever you go. Crafted with high-density memory foam for soothing support. Wake up refreshed, pain-free, and ready to embrace the day. Its foldable design fits perfectly into small spaces and RVs. Easily transitions from sofa, bed, to yoga mat, or play area. Lightweight and portable, take comfort with you anywhere. Removable, machine washable cover keeps cleaning effortless. Skin-friendly materials cradle your body for deep relaxation. No matter where life takes you, comfort is always within reach. Give your guests and yourself the gift of restful sleep. Choose Gemmed, make every night and every visit heartwarming. Check the product link in the description to grab yours today. Product 1. Multifunction folding ottoman sleeper bed. Imagine your living room transforming in seconds. Ottoman, chair, lounger, bed, all in one sleek design. Watch this flip, fold, and relax. No tools needed. Hosting guests? Instantly reveal a comfy sleeper bed. Need a workspace? Switch to ergonomic chair mode. Movie night? Lounge back with adjustable comfort. 6 backrest positions, your perfect angle, every time. Premium linen fabric feels soft and looks ultra modern. Steel frame, FSC certified wood built to last and eco-friendly. High density sponge cushions cradle you in comfort. No assembly, just unpack and enjoy instant versatility. Space-saving magic for apartments, offices, and guest rooms. Minimalist style fits any modern home aesthetic. Why settle for one function? Get 4 with Big Sweet. Upgrade your space, comfort, style, and flexibility await. Don't miss out. Check the product link in the description to get yours today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Drop a comment with your favorite folding bed, and subscribe for more space-saving tips and product reviews. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab your perfect bed today.